What is it?
Babe, I'm sorry. Okay, I am sorry. I didn't know what came over me, please.
I'm leaving you, James. I don't care. I'm leaving you and there's nothing you or anyone will tell me to stay back. No.
You can't leave me. What do you want me to do? You're literally my life. How am I supposed to survive?
I don't think so. I don't think so, because if I were, you would regard me.
Babe, I do regard you. I swear,
No,
I do.
No, you don't. Listen, remember what you said to me. That if you ever hit me again, I should leave and you will never stop me. And now the time has come. Do not stop me. Babe, don't stop me.
I'm sorry. Look,
don't stop me. I'm serious. Just let me go.
Leave me, okay? I love you. You can't leave me.
You don't love me.
I won't survive without you, okay?
You're
Look,
right.
I'm sorry.
Can you just please let me go?
I said I'm sorry.
Just let me go!
But I just said I'm sorry. You can't leave me. Don't you understand? I love you.
I don't care. Just leave me. If you love me, you'll not be hitting me every time. Just leave me. Let me go.
Let's go back.
You're hurting me. Just leave me alone. Let
Upstairs,
me go.
now.
I'm not going. Just let me go. Just let me go. Just let me go. Just let me go. Let me go.
Upstairs.
I want to go.
I'm sorry. I just said I'm sorry. Don't you understand? I said I'm sorry. I didn't know when I hit you. Upstairs. Go. I'm saying sorry.
Why do you keep doing this? I can stay. I just have to go away, go away. Far away from you.
Huh? You want to leave me? Are you okay? What's your problem? I told you I love you and you still want to leave me. Oh, you want to break my heart? How am I going to survive without you? I said I'm sorry. Was it not enough for you? You want to leave me? How am I going to survive without you? Huh?
Please just let me go. Just let me go. Okay?
Let you go where? You're still saying you want to go. What is your problem? It is you and I forever.
Please let me just
sit down back there.
James, can you stop it?
I should stop what?
Can you just let me go, please? Please, I beg you.
Are you okay? Go to where? Go to where? You still want to go?
Just
sit back in there. You're going to remain here. Okay? It is you and I together forever. And you stay here until you change your mind. Where do you think you're going to? You want to leave? Rubbish.
I promise you, I'll take you over. Mama, please don't do this to me. Mama.
I feel like I'm weak.
No, Mama, you're not weak. You are strong, okay? You are not weak.
Promise me.
I promise you. I promise you.
Take good care of us.
I will do that, Mama, please. I will do that. Stop
promise me.
I promise you, Mama. Stop saying that, please. I beg you. Mama? Mama, please don't go! Mommy, please don't leave me alone. I beg you, in the name of God, don't leave me. Mommy, look at me. Wake up, Mama, please, I beg you, wake up, don't do this to me, I beg Mama, look at me, I'm here. Mama, please. Mama, your daughter is here. I really see her. Let me go, sister. Let me go. Mom can't just leave us like that. Mom can't just leave us like that, sister. Let me go inside. Let me go. Sister. No more! It's fine.
Trust me, I totally understand. I really wish I was there to support you.
It's fine, I understand. So how is the program over there?
Well, I'm almost done. We should be out of here and back to Nigeria by the end of the month.
That'll be after Mom's burial.
Yes, after that. So sorry I couldn't make it.
I understand.
I really feel bad. It really hurts that I never met her. Babes, I have to go now, okay? We'll call you back later.
Alright, no problem. Mira, you're not done packing.
I'm almost done. Just have a few left.
You need to hurry up because the ride I booked for you is downstairs waiting already.
Okay.
Did you see the money I sent to you?
Yes, I got it. Thank you so much.
It's fine. Just please help me and manage it. You know I don't have too much.
Sister, you've done enough for me already. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't worry, I'll still send you money soon, okay? Maybe next week or next week, but just help me, okay? Alright. Hurry up now.
Okay, I'm done.
Alright. I hope you're not forgetting anything.
No.
Alright.
Baby, you scared me.
I'm so sorry. Welcome.
Why didn't you call me to tell me you're stopping by?
Oh, I finished from work early and I didn't want to go home and stay all by myself because my sister, she's gone back to school.
Oh, she has? And I was hoping to meet her this time around.
Don't worry, when next she comes back, you can see her.
Okay, that's fine.
How was work today?
Hectic, but it's alright.
Oh, okay. You know what? Go upstairs and freshen up while I set up the table for you to eat.
You made dinner?
Of course.
Already? You are the best.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, baby. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go.
Thank you, babe. That was delicious. Yeah.
Who was she?
Who was who?
The lady I saw you with earlier.
What lady are you talking about?
Oh, please, don't act dumb with me. You know exactly what I'm talking about. I saw you kiss a lady before getting into the mall with her. And I called you to ask if you're in the office. Why are you like this? It's been barely 2 weeks since you got back into the country. And this is the second lady you're cheating on me with. Who is she?
Doesn't matter.
What do you mean it doesn't matter? It matters to me. I want to know. Who is she? I want to know the lady you're cheating on me with. So tell me, who is she?
I said it doesn't matter.
I'm still talking to you. Where do you think you're going to?
No, you are the one talking. Alright? What do you think this is? You think this is Europe? This is Africa. A man is entitled to have as many women that he can take care of.
What?
Yes, you heard me. How many wives did your father have? Because the last I checked, he left you and your mother for another woman. Did he not?
How dare you?
Did you just hit me?
I'm sorry. Babe, I'm so sorry.
Huh? You're sorry? Try this again, and you will regret it. I don't know what came over me. Please, forgive me. I won't do it again.
That was what you said the last time. Yet you did it again today. What was my offense? Because I caught you cheating on me again.
Honey, I didn't do anything with that lady. After we had our argument and went our separate ways, I went straight to the office.
So if you didn't have an argument, it would have still happened, right?
But it didn't.
And that's because you had an argument.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, that's why I'm apologizing. Come, let's go to the room.
Got my eyes. You almost blinded me.
It won't happen again. I promise. I'm sorry. Okay? Come, let's go to the room.
I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go.
I'll see you when I return, right?
Yeah, I'll come here from work.
So you make something delicious for me for dinner.
Sure.
Alright? My bag, please. Yes. Okay.
Right. Bye.
Good morning, sister.
Morning. I hope there's no problem. So you're calling me this early.
I am fine, no. I just missed you. I wanted to hear your voice.
Aww. Thank
Thank you, baby sis.
Oh, baby. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go.
You're not serious, Irene. How can you be giving excuses for a man who has no regard for you?
You know that's not true. James respects me a lot.
Respect. Yet he turned your face to Coke and Fanta.
That's because he was upset that I slapped him.
You're foolish. What were you supposed to do when you found out he was cheating? Go and do Thanksgiving?
I don't understand. What was all this insult for?
You're lucky I haven't landed you a slap. When did you become this gullible, Irene? You used to be very smart and practical. How can you be happy that a man who almost cheated didn't because he said he has an argument with the said woman? Isn't that foolishness?
What would you have me do?
Walk away from this shit you call a relationship.
I can't. And you know it. You know I'm in love with James. I love him so much.
That is the more reason you should leave. If he wants to stay with you, then you have to talk with him. He has to work on his attitude. He has to work on it.
Okay, I've heard. You know what? Enough about me. How are you? How have you been?
You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, baby, love is beautiful. And I'll fall for you. Not going back, baby.
What is it?
I don't really care.
How do you feel when you make love to me after giving me a black eye? Do you enjoy it?
I didn't know what's the meaning of that question.
I'm just asking because I know how uncomfortable I get every time you get upset or you're in pain. Like, I'm only trying to understand how you feel when you inflict pain on me.
I don't want to talk about this. Alright? Not right now.
No, we need to talk right now. Yes.
Really? I told you I'm not in the mood to discuss this right now, but you always find a way to want to ruin moments with me.
Really? So me trying to reason with my man is not uncomfortable. It's not me ruining the moments. Like, I don't get making
I mean,
it.
I told you I don't want to discuss about this, but you wouldn't listen. Now, since you're insisting, I'm going to leave the room for you so that you can enjoy yourself.
You know I love you. Why do you keep doing this? Is it because I love you? You keep taking me for granted. Ooh, what is this? Why you putting me through so much pain? This hurts so unfair.
Hey, Mira. Oh, you're at home? Okay. No, I'm at my boyfriend's place. Don't worry, I'll bring you something to eat, okay? Alright, bye.
Hello, James.
Sasha, how you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Yeah, Irene told me you came back the other day. Have you seen her?
I'm not here for her, I'm here for you. I saw her face. Come on, that wasn't really looking nice at all. I know she can be handful most times, but that doesn't give an excuse to what you did to her.
She told you I did something to her?
Come on, James. I'm not a child. I know bruises from slap when I see one. I mean, you're a man here and you should learn how to control your temper no matter how much she provokes you.
Okay. I promise it won't happen again.
Thank you for your understanding.
Open this gate.
Irene! Okay. You will come back and meet me in this house. Or you will come back.
Welcome. How are you doing? I'm fine. Take. Oh, I brought you food as promised. Thank you.
What happened?
Sister is my landlord though. He locked our hostel yesterday when I got back from school.
Why?
Our rent expired and he wouldn't give an additional day because there are other students waiting to occupy each space.
Why is that now? But wait, didn't your rent just expire last week?
Sister, what happened to your face?
Oh, my face. I fell down and hit my face and yeah, in the bathroom. So yeah.
You fell down and you didn't mention it.
My dear, see, I'm fine. Just forget about me. So, how far your roommate now? What about her?
Yeah, she has her own half of the money.
Oh, so it's just your own half left, Abby?
Yes. And I'm starting my test next week. I just wish this man will understand that mom is late and allow me to write this test because I wouldn't want anything that would distract me. Then when I'm done, I'll just come back, hustle and then go and pay him.
Don't worry, I'll get the money before the end of today, so you can go back to school and prepare for your test, okay?
Thank you so much, sister. You're the best. Finally.
Baby, I don't wanna know, I don't really care what I'm talking. All I wanna be with you, cause you are everything I've got. Ooh, yeah. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh. All the things we share together, good memories, good loving, and I can't let it go away. I'll find true love, I'm not gonna let it go. True love, I'm not gonna let it go. I'll find true love, I'm not gonna let it go. True love, I'm not gonna let it go. All I know, we are meant to be together. Let nobody put us under. You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, love is beautiful, and I'll fall for you. Not going back, baby. I don't wanna know, I don't really care what I'm told. All I wanna be with you, cause you are everything I've got. Oh baby.
Hey babes, how you doing?
Why do you keep doing this?
What was that for?
Because
How dare you send that imbecile of a friend to come and talk to me? Huh? And she had the temerity to come to advise me on how to handle my relationship when she cannot even hold one for herself.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? Did you not discuss me with your girlfriend?
No, I did it. I didn't say that to you.
You're still lying to me?
I didn't tell her anything.
Cheap whore.
You call me a whore?
Yes, that is what you are. A cheap whore. How do you explain where you're coming from? Huh? Where did you sleep? Try it again.
Oh, why do you keep doing this? I can stay. I just have to go away, go away, go away. Far away from you, I can stay. Yeah. 'Cause the pain is too much for me to handle.
And I'm starting my test next week. I just wish this man would understand that mom is late and allow me to write this test, because I wouldn't want anything that would distract me. Then when I'm done, I'll just come back, hustle, and then go and pay him.
Don't worry. I'll get the money before the end of today, so you can go back to school and prepare for your test, okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much, sister. You're the best. Finally.
You know I love you. Why do you keep doing this? Is it because I love you? You keep taking me for granted. Ooh, what is this? Why you putting me through so much pain? This hurts so unfair.
I didn't go to see anyone. Mira called to tell me that she was back home. I had to run back home to know why she came back. I wanted to ask her to come over. Then I remembered you said no family members until we are married. And I'm sorry for telling Sasha about our problem. Babe, I'm sorry. My sister said the landlord locked her apartment and threw them out that if they don't pay, they don't renew their rent, they won't be let in. And they don't have money to complete their rent. So I want to ask you if you can give me the money. Just borrow me the money. I will pay you back as soon as I get my salary. Please. I will pay you back, I promise. I need the money too. I just saw the money. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, sister.
sister, I'm so happy. You're the best.
Oh, don't worry, just
thank you. Okay, let me just go and arrange my things and get ready to go.
Alright, that's fine.
Sister, please open the door. Sister, please open the door. Sister, are you okay? Please open. Sister, please open the door.
All the things we shared together. Good memories, good loving, and I can't let it go away. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go. All I know, we are meant to be together.
What is wrong with you, Irene? You still let this guy kill you before you learn? Like, what kind of a man beats a woman he claims he loves every minute?
Tired, Sasha. I mean, he gets angry at any slightest provocation. And before you know it, he starts hitting me. I'm even scared to talk to him. I can't even say anything before him because I'm scared.
That is the more reason why you should walk out of this thing you call a relationship. I know you love this guy and you think there are no other men out there for you, but believe me when I say there are 1,000,001 men out there waiting for you.
How would you know that?
Because I know you. You're pretty, intelligent, hardworking and respectful. Like, which man wouldn't want you?
Then why does the one I want not want me?
Oh, because he's a jack, a loser. I know what you're going to do. We'll go to his place and you pack the rest of your stuff out of this Thursday thing you call a relationship.
Go where?
We'll go to his place.
You and who? I don't think so.
Come on, Irene.
Do we have to?
Yes, we have to do this.
Let me go and get my bag.
There's no need for that. Let's go. I have to leave this thing.
Babe?
Go get your stuff. Let's get out of here. Hurry up! Look at her very well, because I will make sure you never see her again.
Babe? Babe? Do you want to leave me?
Leave me alone. What is it?
I'm sorry now. Look, I was only angry. I didn't mean it.
The main reason why I should leave you. Yes, that's the more reason why I should leave you. So I don't get to make you angry every time.
I'm sorry, okay? You can't just leave me. Okay, what am I supposed to do without you?
Well, you should have thought about that before pounding me like a yam. James, I came here to beg you to give me money for my sister's rent. But you see, just leave me alone, please.
Okay, look, I understand that we had sex with you, but that had nothing to do with you asking me for money. Babe, please.
Just leave me.
I'm sorry. Okay. I promise I will never do it again. Okay, I will never do it again. If I hit you, you can leave me and never return. I beg you. I will not do it again. If I try it, leave me and never return. I I mean it. I'm so sorry, honey. Please. Please. Don't go. I'm going to die. Please.
Irene! Hurry up! Where are your stuff? What's the meaning of this? Where are your stuff? What was the meaning of that? Where are your things?
He apologized and promised never to hit me again.
You're very stupid.
Sasha!
Don't call my name! How many times is he going to keep apologizing? Is it the first time he's apologizing? Is it the second?
Well, he promised never to hit me again. And if he eventually does, I should leave, pack my things and never come back.
You are a disgrace. Sometimes I wonder what has become of you since you met this guy. I'm glad your mom is not even here to witness this weakling you have become.
Don't call my mom. Don't.
And if I do, what will you do? Eat me like he eats you? Well, it is your face and your body. You can do whatever you like. I'm out of here.
I missed you so much.
I missed you too. I just wish I would stop fighting.
Okay. I promise we're not going to fight again. But I need your help.
How?
Sasha.
What about her?
Look, babe, I know you two have been friends for the longest, I know. But I don't think your friendship with her is healthy for our relationship. She doesn't mean well for us.
That's not true.
It is. Swear to me that she wasn't the one that convinced you to leave me. Swear.
I don't have to swear. Yeah, she was the one.
Exactly my point. You see what I'm saying? Look, babe. As long as you two are still friends, she will continue to convince you. I don't know how else to say it, but she will continue to convince you to leave me.
I will never leave you, I swear down.
Then prove it. I need you to leave her.
Still not that way.
No. There's no other way. Do it for us.
I've got it. Ooh, yeah. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh. Of the things we shared together, good memories, good loving, and I can't let it go away. I'll find true love, I'm not gonna let it go, go. True love, I'm not gonna let it go. I'll find true love, I'm not gonna let it go. True love, I'm not gonna let it go. All I know, we are meant to be.
What is going on, Irene? I've been calling you, you have not been picking my calls.
You've been calling me? Seriously, I've not seen your calls since. So did you call me? Are you sure you called my number? Because I've not seen any of your missed calls.
I've been calling you for the past weeks now, and you've not been answering my calls.
Like I said, I didn't see your call. If you called me, I would have seen it now.
Is there something wrong?
Something wrong? Of course not now. It's just as I've just been busy with work.
Work? You're such a terrible liar, Irene. The same work you've been having for the past years, or is there something new? What is wrong with you, Irene?
talking about? I don't get. What is wrong with me? How?
James! He asked you to stay away from me, right? Because he's scared I'm going to show you how much of a damage he's causing to your life.
No. James didn't. James would never say that. He didn't say that.
You're such a liar, Irene. You've been ignoring me because of a man. It has gotten to the point where you have to avoid me because of a man? Not just even any man. The one that's done nothing but to hurt you.
See, Sasha, can you just stop already? James is a changed man. He's now a changed person, yes. Do you know, for over a week now, he has not even raised his voice at me at all.
Well, it's your life. I'll leave you to enjoy your relationship, and I hope it works out for you. And if it doesn't, you know where to find me.
Excuse me.
Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh. Of the things we shared together, good memories, good loving, and I can't let it go away. I'll find true love, I'm not gonna let it go.
Baby.
Hey, Bobo.
You're back. Come here. How was work today?
Work was fine, and yours?
I'm good. You look so stressed out.
Yes, I am, babe. I'm so tired.
I know how stressed you are. What I need you to do is go upstairs, have a shower. By the time you come down, dinner is ready.
Oh, you're such a sweetheart. Come here. Thank you, baby. See if you know how tired I am. I was thinking of going out to freshen up and then coming back into the kitchen. Then come cook. Thank you so much.
I have you sorted, okay?
I love you.
I love you too.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Sister, I met Sasha earlier and she said she hasn't seen you in weeks. Is there a problem?
Problem? Why? Did she tell you that there's a problem?
She didn't have to. It's obvious because I've known you two all my life and you haven't gone a day without seeing each other.
That's because we are now adults. We're busy. We have responsibilities to take care of.
Sister.
What? You don't expect us to see ourselves every day, do you?
Sister, that doesn't make sense to me.
I don't get. No, just forget about that. My boyfriend said he wants to meet you.
Oh, finally!
I know, right? But wait, it's not in town. He traveled for a business trip. But he said once he's back, he's gonna come see you.
Okay, so is he ready to do the needful?
I don't know.
Maybe.
I don't know.
He better be, oh.
Else what will
I'm
happen?
going to give it to someone else. Sharp.
Yeah. Babes, you're back. I thought you said you'd be gone for the weekend.
So that is why you decided to embarrass me in my own estate.
Embarrassed you? How?
the goat that you're with. Who is he?
Goats? Which goats? I wasn't with any goats. I don't know what you're talking about.
I said, who was the goat that you were hugging?
Baby, it's not what you think.
It's not. So you thought I'll be back by the weekend? He gave you the right to stupidly fool around in my estate to fall in with me. You better stay there and don't come down.
What is it?
Babe, I'm sorry. Okay, I am sorry. I didn't know what came over me, please.
I'm leaving you, James. I don't care. I'm leaving you and there's nothing you or anyone will tell me to stay back. No.
You can't leave me. What do you want me to do? You're literally my life. How am I supposed to survive?
I don't think so. I don't think so, because if I were, you would regard me.
Babe, I do regard you. I swear,
No,
I do.
No, you don't. Listen, remember what you said to me. That if you ever hit me again, I should leave and you will never stop me. And now the time has come. Do not stop me.
Babe, please.
Don't stop me.
I'm sorry. Look,
don't stop me. I'm serious. Just let me go.
Leave me, okay? I love you. You can't leave me.
You don't love me.
I won't survive without you, okay?
You're
Look,
right.
I'm sorry.
Can you just please let me go?
I said I'm sorry.
Just let me go!
But I just said I'm sorry. You can't leave me. Don't you understand? I love you.
I don't care. Just leave me. If you love me, you'll not be hitting me every time. Just leave me. Let me
Let's
go.
go back.
You're hurting me. Just leave me alone. Let
Upstairs,
me go.
now.
I'm not going. Just let me
back.
go. Just let me go. Just let me go. Just
back
let me go. Just let me go.
Upstairs.
I want to go.
I'm sorry. I just said I'm sorry. Don't you understand? I said I'm sorry. I didn't know when I hit you. Upstairs. Go. I'm saying sorry.
Why do you keep doing this? I can stay. I just have to go away, go away. Far away from you.
Huh? You want to leave me? Are you okay? What's your problem? I told you I love you and you still want to leave me. You want to break my heart? How am I going to survive without you? I said I'm sorry. Was it not enough for you? You want to leave me? How am I going to survive without you? Huh?
Please just let me go. Just let me go. Okay?
Let you go where? You're still saying you want to go. What is your problem? It is you and I forever.
Please let me just
Sit down back there.
James, can you stop it?
I should stop what?
Can you just let me go, please? Please,
Let
I
you
beg
go.
you.
Are you okay? Go to where? Go to where? You still want to go?
Just
Sit back in there. You're going to remain here. Okay? It is you and I together forever. And you stay here until you change your mind. Where do you think you're going to? You want to leave? Rubbish. Wait. Are you okay? I'm telling you something. You need to eat, okay? Your system needs it. You need to eat.
How didn't I see this psychopathic part of you? You obsessed fool.
That is not a way to talk to your husband. You need the food.
I'd rather die than to get married to you.
Babe, look. Don't say things like that, okay? We are meant to be together forever.
Never. No way. I reject it. I'll never marry you.
Eat.
I don't want.
Okay. You will stay in here until when you're ready to change your mind. If you're hungry, call my name. I'll come and feed you.
You know I love you. Why do you keep doing this?
So, have you?
Sasha.
I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love.
Sasha. Yes. I'm so sorry. It's fine. I'm so sorry. It's fine. I'm sorry. It's fine. I'm glad you left him.
Tired. I decided to leave town.
Oh.
I need to stay away from him and then get myself together. I need to heal.
Okay. But how about work?
I'll ask them to transfer me to one of our branches in another city.
Okay. It's fine. It's fine.
Can't you see? You should be sorry. Just come and hit somebody like that. I don't even know the kind of mood that somebody is. Right? As frustrated as ever.
Don't worry, Mira. You'll soon be favored.
Sister, this has been your new line.
Just have faith, alright?
Well, faith doesn't give job in this country. Connection does, and unfortunately, we have none.
More reason you should not relent in going out.
Sister, I'm already frustrated. I am.
I totally understand, my dear. But quitting is not an option.
I've even run out of cash because of transportation.
Don't worry. I'll send you some money once I drop this call. Just keep pushing, and I'm certain something will pan out.
Thank you so much, sis. You're my inspiration. Thank you for everything you do for me.
Have you eaten?
Well, not yet. I just got in, but I'll eat soon.
Okay. Go eat something and rest, okay?
Okay. Thank you so much. I love you.
Bye.
Wow. We meet again.
Do I know you?
You might not remember me, but we bumped into each other the other day.
Oh, I see.
I'm sorry. My name is Jimmy. You don't look so cheerful.
Well, that's because I only wasted my time and money coming here.
You came for an interview? Oh. I don't want to sound really weird, but I don't mind giving you a lift to wherever you're going to. Maybe that will cheer you up. Please? Please. So I didn't get your name.
Mirabelle. My friends call me Mira.
Mira? That's a wonderful name. So how long have you been moving with the fire?
Well, for about a year. Yes, a year.
What did you study?
Mass communication.
Okay, what grades did you come up with?
Second class upper. That's the best I could do.
It's okay. You know, I have this friend of mine. I heard him saying the other day that he needs a secretary and a marketer. Maybe I can put in a word or two for you.
Oh, really? I'm so grateful.
I mean, it's the best I can do, at least to cheer you up.
Thank you so much.
It's alright. Sorry to ask, where are you from?
You won't believe me if I tell you.
Try me. Try me. Let me guess. Tanzania?
No way. Come on, I'm Nigerian.
I know. You're just too beautiful. You look like one of those Tanzanian girls.
Thank you. Now you've lightened my mood a bit.
I like that. That's the idea. You know, life is not that hard. It's just people that make it hard. But it's okay.
Yes. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, finally. Oh my God. Oh, let me call Mr. Jimmy.
Hey, Mira.
Hello, Mr. Jimmy. Good afternoon.
You sound pretty excited today.
Yes, I am so excited. I got the job.
You did?
Yes, I got the job. Thank you so much. Thank
That's
you
good.
so much. Thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you. I promise to repay your kindness towards a total stranger.
Hey, I've been meaning to ask. Do you mind if we have dinner later today?
Dinner? Okay, that's fine. Dinner is cool.
Awesome. Is 6 p.m. okay for you?
Yes. 6 p.m. is fine.
Great. Okay. I will text you the address.
All right. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
All right. Bye.
Ooh. Whew. A job and a date in one day. Let me call Sister Irene and tell her the good news. Hello, sister. Good afternoon. I have good news for you.
What? Why are you staring at me?
I can't help it, I have to say. You're very beautiful. The most beautiful girl I've ever seen.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, I did. The meal was nice.
I'm glad you like it. Yeah. So it means we can do this more often?
Sure, why not? I enjoyed your company. I learned a lot from you.
Oh, I enjoyed your company as well. I learned as well.
Are you sure?
Yes. I mean, their food was good.
It was great. Their food tastes really, really nice.
And now I'm thinking I have another place in mind. And I know you will love it.
I will. I can't wait.
Yeah, it's fit for a queen.
Oh.
That's okay.
Come on, you're making me uncomfortable. Stop staring.
Okay. One more time.
Stop. I said yes to him, sister.
Wasn't that too quick?
No, it's not. Sister, you need to see this guy. He is cute, kind, gentle, and he has a good job. You need to see how he treated me this evening at the dinner. Like a queen, sister. I've never felt that way since Mom died.
Alright. What is his name?
His name is Jimmy.
I see. All I'll tell you is to be careful.
I will. You don't have to worry, okay? I will.
Once you sense any red flag that you think cannot manage, walk away before you become too attached.
Noted, ma'am. I will do just as you have said. Sister, I've missed you. When are you coming?
Don't worry. I'll be home soon, okay?
Okay, I can't wait to see you.
Me either. I have to go now. Talk tomorrow.
Alright, bye. Love you, sis.
Good night.
Oh.
Come. Welcome to my humble abode.
See. Okay. Well, your place is actually nice.
Thank you very much.
Wait a minute. You're rich and handsome. How come you're not married yet? I mean, you're not even dating when we met.
Yeah, about that. Let's say I decided to be single. The last relationship I had, I messed it up. There were avoidable things that I didn't avoid. Yeah, I don't want to talk about it though.
Okay, so where is she now? The lady you were with?
Definitely not in this town. I met someone that knew us a while ago and she told me she was out of town, so she's not here.
Okay, that's better because I don't share.
You are never going to share me with anyone.
I hope so.
Come, let me show you the favorite part of this house.
Okay.
Somewhere upstairs.
Alright.
It looks like my room.
Okay.
I must warn you.
Baby. What are you doing here?
Not doing. I was missing my woman, so I said, let me come and stay with her.
But I'm not running away. Come on.
I know you're not. Even if you run, I will chase you to the end of the earth.
I know, right? So, allow me to cook.
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that.
Oh, babe, come on. Allow me to cook.
I'm not going anywhere. Just tell me what you want me to do and I'll do it.
Okay. All I need you to do now is leave so I can cook. Okay?
Oh, no.
Oh,
No, I am not going anywhere. I'm going to stay here with you.
oh, you're going to distract me now.
I like distraction. Okay, let's cook together, okay? Come on, what are you washing?
Okay, I want to round up with all the things and then... Are you all serious?
Okay, we're washing the carrots. Oh, the pepper now.
Yeah.
I should be washing this one. Okay.
I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. I wanna know we are meant to be together, together. Let nobody put us under. You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, baby, love is beautiful. And I'll fall for you. Not going back, baby. I don't wanna know, I don't really care what them talk. All I wanna be with you, 'cause you are everything I've gotten. Ooh, yeah. Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby. Oh, all the things we shared together. Good memories, good loving, and I can't let it go away. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love.
What are you doing here, babe? What are you doing here?
Well, I came to pick you up from work so that you don't jump into all these taxis.
That's so sweet. Thank you. And I love you so much. Hi, baby.
Babe, wait.
What is it?
Wait. Come here.
Is something wrong?
Get into bed. Wait.
Oh, what is it, babe? What is it?
I don't want us to do this.
Why?
I made a lot of mistakes in my past relationship. Mistakes that still haunt me till today. I don't want to spoil this for us.
Now you're getting me confused.
Look, I am going to marry you. I will, with all my heart. And when I do, we'll have all the time in the world to do this. But not now. Please.
Oh, babes. You don't have to beg me, okay? There are very few men out there who will say what you just said. I love you so much, babes.
I love you too. Come, let's sleep.
Alright, let's sleep. So what plans do you have for tomorrow?
Close your eyes. No cheating.
Please. What's this about?
Slowly, don't worry. Slowly, no cheating. Close your eyes.
Okay, you're
Keep
making me
them
nervous.
closed. It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, it's okay.
You're making me nervous right now.
Don't open them yet.
Okay, so.
Okay. Open them.
Oh. Babe? Oh. Jimmy.
Mira, I know I am not a perfect man. But I promise to make you the happiest woman on earth if you agree to marry me. Please, will you marry me?
Yes. Yes, I'll marry you. Oh, this is so beautiful, babes. Oh my god. I love you so much, man. Oh, baby. Oh my. Oh. My sister will be so happy for me, babes.
You speak so highly of this, your sister. I hope I get to meet her soon.
Of course, you'll meet her soon, and you know, she's the only family member I have since our mother passed away, and she's the first person you're going to meet before she decides to take you to any other extended family.
So when do I need to see her?
Well, I'll call her this evening, and I'm sure she'll run down here before the week runs out.
Interesting. So when do you want us to fix the wedding?
Well, as soon as you're ready. I'm ready.
Me? I am ready right away. What are you saying?
Okay, you will have to see my sister first, and then fix the wedding date.
What if she doesn't like me?
Come on, that's practically impossible. My big sis likes everybody, plus all I have to do is tell her I'm in love with you, and she will go to the ends of the earth to make sure you marry me.
Ooh, okay, now that's scary.
You should be scared. Don't mess with me, else she will deal with you.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind.
This is so beautiful.
I'm not gonna let it go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go.
We're getting married.
Oh my goodness, this is so fine. Oh, it's so cute.
Thank you.
It looks pretty expensive, you know.
Yes, it is. Jimmy wouldn't settle for anything less.
Of course. He hit a jackpot with my sister. And he must treat you like the queen that you are.
That's it.
See?
Thank you so much, sis.
So happy for me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
No. So cute.
Oh, I miss mom so much. I wish she was here to see how much we've grown. How grown we've become.
I know, right? But don't worry. She's over there right now, smiling down at us. Okay?
Yeah. I hope so.
Yeah, I know. So shake it up, shake it up. Don't worry. Mommy's proud of us. Okay?
Yeah.
So, what's the date?
Well, we haven't fixed a date yet. So he said he's going to meet with you first. Then if you approve of him, go ahead and fix a date.
Approve of him, Ke? Auntie, please, you people should go and fix a date too. What you trying to disapprove? Approve it. So long as you like him and it makes you happy, I'm okay. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're the best thing that's ever happened to me, and I love you so much.
I love you too,
Thank
baby
you.
sis. You're welcome. My baby's getting married. Nice. Oh, you say so, you're like, hi.
Okay, to their faces.
Just wave your
Okay,
fingers.
can you see that right there?
Well, let's see. Let's just see you.
Okay, babes, come in. This is my house where I live. Make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
Let me get my sister. Sister Irene. Yeah, my fiancé is here. Meet my fiancé, Jimmy, my sister, Irene.
James?
Do you two know each other?
You devil. What are you doing here? Is this the demon you want to get married to? What are you doing in my house?
What is going on?
This devil's incarnate? The demon you want to marry. You monster. That will be over my dead body. Listen, I want you to stay away from my younger sister. I do not want to ever see you around her.
What is going on?
And this should be the last time you step your foot into my house. Now get out.
Sister, what's going on?
Get out of my house!
Irene, wait, hold on. Irene.
Sister, what's going
Get out.
on?
Irene.
Can you just get out?
Can someone talk to me?
Wait.
Leave my house. Get out of my house. Get out!
Sister, what
Get
is going on?
Get out! Nonsense.
Jimmy, wait! Jimmy! What was the meaning of that, sister? Why did you have to embarrass my fiancé like that?
You call that monster your fiancé? James is the one you expect me to accept as my sister's husband. Never. It will never happen.
But why? What did he do to you that you won't accept him?
Do not question me. Okay? I don't want you close to that man. I don't even want you to mention him close to me. I don't even want to see him.
Why won't you accept him?
I will not accept him and stop asking me questions. Listen, I do not want to ever set my eyes on you and him together. Don't even mention his name.
That will not happen. Not until you give me a cogent explanation.
I owe you no explanation. What's your problem? I do not want to see you with that man.
But why, sister?
How can you just leave me alone? Just go!
It is not in my place to tell you anything, Mira.
Come on, Sasha. This thing is threatening my marriage with Jimmy. He wouldn't talk to me, neither will my sister Irene. I feel isolated.
I totally understand how you feel. But your sister is supposed to talk to you about it. Or your fiancé, not me.
You're not understanding me, are you? They are not talking to me at all. I'm worried.
Let them be. When they feel like it, they will talk to you.
Why won't you just tell me, Sasha?
Because I don't want the name of that wicked monster to come out of my mouth.
Monster. That was the same thing Sister Irene called him. A monster.
I'm late for work, Mira. I'll see you later in the evening.
Come on, Sasha. You can tell me about it.
Nora, please.
Just tell me. I am worried. Please. Sasha.
Yeah, what's that? Irene?
May thunder fire that mouth you're using to call my name.
I'm sorry.
Oh, please. Baby, just hold it there. I did not come here to listen to your apology. I only came here to warn you to stay away from my sister. You had your way with me and I will not let you do the same with her. So stay away from her.
Irene, look, I will never hurt Mira. I love her.
Broken record. Please. I'm not going to repeat myself again. Stay away from her. I don't want to ever see you with her. Stay away from her, else you will not like what I will do to you.
Irene, look, you have to... Let me explain myself.
Uche, how are you?
Welcome, madam. I'm fine.
Jimmy's car is not here.
I know. I got drive out. Maybe one woman. Come shout for her here.
You mean my sister came here and shouted at Jimmy?
Sister. That your sister get anger issue. Now small thing you remain. If for land or Jimmy correct slap.
Do you have any idea where he might be?
No, all I know be say in drive come out, follow this side. Bamuza.
Okay, that's fine. I'll call him.
Let the enter inside.
No, I'll call him.
Okay. Now that is get correct eye. Carry eye, enter market. See the kind of shot away package for himself.
Irene, why did you go to Jimmy's house and ask him to stay away from me?
Because I wanted him to know that I wasn't joking.
And who are you to tell me who to see and who not to see?
Did you just say that to me?
You heard me. You're my elder sister and not my mother. So know your place.
Huh? Am I the one you're talking to?
You heard me.
Are you okay? Something wrong with you? That monster turned me into a punching bag. He beats me even when I greeted him. Cheats on me, and when I catch him cheating, he beats me up. For months, I walked around wearing shades because of the constant beating, giving me black eyes every time. There was a time I asked him to give me money to pay for your school rent. I begged him. But guess what he did? He beats me up. And after beating me, even with all the bruises on my face, he slept with me before giving me the money. You know, Sasha actually wanted me to leave him. But I didn't listen because I was so much in love with him. I left this town because I wanted to get away from him. I wanted to heal. I had to leave this town because of him. Because I needed to heal. And you want me to stand there and watch my sister get married to that kind of man? Is that the type of man you want to end up with? You want me to stand there and watch my only sister get married to that monster? Never. It will never happen.
You don't even know how to lie. You're a terrible liar. Jimmy is the most gentle man I know. And for the records, he refused to sleep with me until we are married. That is who I am getting married to, not the monster you painted. now. Take my calls.
How could he be so heartless as to go for my younger sister just because he couldn't have me?
I don't think he knew she was his sister. Remember, while you two were together, Mira never met him. And you said he was surprised when he saw you here. But I only worried you now is Mira. You said she hasn't returned since she left yesterday. That is not good at all.
She thinks I'm lying to her. In her words, he is the most perfect person she has ever met. Can you imagine that?
3 years is a whole lot of time, remember?
How do you mean?
I'm only looking at the probability here.
There's no probability anywhere.
He might have learned how to work on his temper while you left and...
Sasha, are you the one saying this? Have you forgotten what this nigger did to me? Huh? Have you forgotten? James, change. Nah, that's not possible. No way. James can never change, okay? He would just look for another naive girl he can move on to. And that is exactly what he did to my younger sister. And I will not let that happen. This will be his last bus stop. Because I will drag him. I will let the whole world know the kind of person he is. What kind of rubbish is that? Nonsense.
Let me try our number again. Madam, it has gotten to the point where you see me and you can't greet.
Good evening.
You had your sister and I worried.
I am an adult.
Okay. Then act like one. Your sister is the one you should be consoling here. You brought a nightmare to our doorstep.
Oh, I see. So you want to call him names too, right? You want to start calling him names as well, right? Well, I am not ready to listen to any lies you have to say about him.
You think your sister would lie and deprive you of what makes you happy? A sister that sacrificed everything just to make you happy when your mother died.
Are you done? Are you done talking?
So sorry. Sorry about that.
I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. I wanna know we are meant to be together, together. Let nobody put us under. You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, baby, love is beautiful.
So I said,
And I'll fall for you. Not going back, baby.
even if you run,
I don't wanna know. I don't really care what them talk. All I wanna be with you. Cause you are everything I've got. Ooh yeah. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh.
just tell me what you want me to do.
Of the things we share together. Good memories, good loving. and I can't let it go away. I'll find true love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go.
No.
True love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. All I know, we are meant to be together, together. Let nobody put us under. You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, baby, love is beautiful, it's beautiful. And I'll fall for you, not going back, baby. I don't wanna know, I don't really care what I'm taught. All I wanna be with you, 'cause you are everything I've gotten. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh, oh. Of the things we shared together, good memories. Oh baby, I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. All I know, we are meant to be together, together. Let nobody put us under. You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, baby, love is beautiful, and I'll fall for you. Not going back, baby. I don't wanna know, I don't really care what I'm taught. All I wanna be with you, 'cause you are everything I've gotten. Ooh yeah, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh. Of the things we shared together, good memories, good loving. And I can't let it go away. I'll find true love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. All I know, we are meant to be together, together. Let nobody put us under. You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, baby, love is beautiful, it's beautiful. And I'll fall for you, not going back, baby. I don't wanna know, I don't really care what I'm taught. All I wanna be with you, 'cause you are everything I've gotten. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh, oh. Of the things we shared together, good memories, good loving. And I can't let it go away.
Okay. Don't open them yet. Okay.
Oh baby, I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. All I know, we are meant to be together, together. Let nobody put us under. You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, baby, love is beautiful, and I'll fall for you. Not go together, together. Good memories, good loving, and I can't let it go away. I'll find true love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. All I know, we are meant to be together, together. Let nobody put us under. You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, baby, love is beautiful, it's beautiful, and I'll fall for you. Not going back, baby. Love is beautiful, it's beautiful, and I'll fall for you. Not going back, baby. I don't wanna know, I don't really care what I'm told. All I wanna be with you, 'cause you are everything I've gotten. Oh baby, baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh, oh. All the things we share together, together. Good memories.
How many wives did your father have?
And I can't let it go away.
Last I checked, he left you and your mother for another woman. Did he not?
How dare you?
Did you just hit me?
I'm sorry. Babe, I'm so sorry.
Huh? You're sorry?
Hey babes, how you doing? What was that for?
Are you stupid? Wait! Are you okay?
I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. All I know, we are meant to be together, together. Let nobody put us under. You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, baby, love is beautiful, and I'll fall for you. Not going back, baby. I don't wanna know, I don't really care what I'm talking. All I wanna be with you, 'cause you are everything I've gotten. Ooh yeah, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh. All the things we share together, together. Good memories, good loving, and I can't let it go away. I'll find true love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. All I know, we are meant to be together, together. Let nobody put us under. You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, baby, love is beautiful, it's beautiful, and I'll fall for you. Not going back, baby. I don't wanna know, I don't really care what I'm told. All I wanna be with you, 'cause you are everything I've gotten. Oh baby, baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh, oh. All the things we share together, together. Good memories, good loving, and I can't let it go away.
please, I know I don't have the right to be here, but hear me out.
I don't want to hear you out. Can you just please leave my house?
Irene, I beg you, please. You have every right to be angry, I know. But just hear me out. Let me explain things to you.
I don't want to talk to you. Leave my house. Now what's your problem? Leave and never come back.
Jimmy. 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 James, I'm talking to you. Is it true? What my sister said you did to her. Is it true? I'm talking to you, Jimmy.
Mirabelle, please open the door. Talk to me now.
He was so perfect. He never for one day hit me, let alone raise his voice at me. He picks me up from work every day. He even assists me in the kitchen sometimes. Sister, he did all that to you, yet he couldn't even say anything to anyone.
Sasha knew
But
about
I am
it.
your sister.
I know. But you were in school and I didn't want anything that would distract you from your study.
I remember you coming home the other time with a black eye. He did that too, right? I'm sorry. I asked you, you said you fell in the bathroom. I'm so sorry, sister. I'm sorry.
Don't worry, Mira. It's not your fault, okay? It's not.
I don't want to ever see him again. I don't want to ever set my eyes on him again.
It's okay. It's okay, Mira. It's not your fault, okay? It's not your fault.
He's a monster.
Mira. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Sasha said he could be a changed person.
But it doesn't take away what he did to you. How would you want me to end up with such a person who did that terrible thing to you? He even abused you. Tell me, how would you feel if you visit? Wouldn't you feel uneasy?
Mira, take it easy, okay?
Is that the kind of brother-in-law you want? I'm sure not. I don't want to see him again. He's a monster.
It's okay, come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sister. Please forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Irene, after you left, my world turned upside down. I couldn't do anything. Because my whole world revolved around you. I was broken. I almost committed suicide. But my mother, she brought me a therapist who worked on me for almost a year. The therapist opened my eyes to what love is. Taught me how to love. And she showed me how to control my temper. But I was too scared to start up another relationship. So I stayed away from women. I stayed away. Because I was too scared to start up another relationship. Until I saw Mira. And there it was. That same energy that attracted me to you. I felt it for her. And I tried so hard to suppress it, but I couldn't. And the truth is, I never knew she was your younger sister. I never knew. Irene, I am so sorry. I did unimaginable things to you. Unspeakable things. Things that I'm not proud of. I know you're a good person. And you have a good heart. The reason I decided to take my chances, to come and ask for your forgiveness. I've not been able to forgive myself. So I thought maybe if you forgive me, I might be able to forgive myself and find peace. Please, I beg you, forgive me. Please.
You broke me. You broke me, James. You killed my self-esteem and left it at zero. I gave you the all of me. You took it for granted.
I am so sorry. Irene, I swear I am. I'm sorry. I wish there was a way I could take it all back, but forgive me, please. I beg you. Please, Irene. Please forgive me, Irene. I beg you.
Mira. Mira, he came by to apologize.
I don't want to see him. I don't want to talk to him. I don't want to smell him. I don't want to see his shadow even.
Mira.
Sister, I don't want to see that monster. He's a monster. I don't want to see him anywhere around me. I hate him. I hate him.
I'm sorry. I swear I am.
I love you, Jimmy. I love you with all my heart. But love isn't enough. What you did to my sister is unforgettable. Let's assume you actually changed the person. How will you face my sister whenever she comes to visit? Because she sure will. She's the only family I have. What if you go back to your old ways? What if you start hitting me?
I will never do that. I swear to you, I'm not that man anymore. Never. Please, I beg you, babe. Please. I love you, okay?
I wish you all the happiness you can get, James.
You are my happiness. I love you, please, don't leave me. I love you.
Yeah, that girl. I guess she better watch herself because I don't like what she's doing. You have to talk to her.
You just have to.
That girl in the office is annoying me. Oh my goodness, are you okay? Where have you been?
I went to return his ring.
Oh.
I'm leaving with you.
Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's alright, Mira.
Okay, next step.
Let me go into the rest of my head.
Oh, baby.
It's okay.
I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love. I'm not gonna let it go, go. I wanna know we are meant to be together, together. Let nobody put us under. Oh, yeah. You're everything I ever wanted. Baby, love is beautiful, and I'll fall for you. Not going back, baby. I don't wanna know, I don't really care what I'm talking. All I wanna be with you, cause you are everything I've got. Ooh, yeah. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. Oh, all the things we share together. Good memories, good loving, and I can't let it go away. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, I'm not gonna let it go, go. I'll find true love. I'm not gonna let it go, go, go. True love, I'm not gonna